Hello, my name is Rebecca. I present the Eat Well guide. I talk about that will help you eat a healthy and balanced diet. What is the Eat Well height? The height of Eat Well is a tool that shows the proportion in which different types of foods are needed to have a balanced and healthy diet. Who is the Eat Well high intended for? Applicable for most people, but it does not apply to children under 2 years old, anyone with dietary needs or medical needs. What are the groups the Eat Well height is divided in? Example: fruit and vegetable, proteins, oil and spread, carbohydrates, and products of lower sugar. When is used the Eat Well height? When deciding what to eat, when cooking at home, when buying groceries, when eating away from home. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Example: consume less fat and sugar, drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid per day. What about daily hydration? Is to drink 6 and 8 glasses of water per day. What about food labeling? Is one with logged in calories. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? A child once on average should eat 1,500 calories.